India reported 1 lakh fresh cases, 1.74 lakh discharges and 2,427 deaths in the past 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry data. Several state governments have started easing the lockdown restrictions as the daily number of COVID-19 cases are declining in the country. Markets, malls and offices have opened in Delhi from 7 June as the Delhi government has given more relaxations. Metro service in the national capital has also begun with conditions. Theatres, bars, gyms, spas and salons have not been permitted to operate yet. Delhi has been reporting less than 1,000 cases for the past several days. The Uttar Pradesh government has eased the lockdown restrictions in several districts due to increase in the daily number of cases. Relaxations have come into effect in Varanasi, Muzaffarnagar, Gautam Budh Nagar and Ghaziabad districts. Shops and markets outside containment are allowed to open 5 days a week in these districts where restrictions have been eased. The relaxations came into effect from 7 June. Local bus services by the Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport have resumed from June 7. Bus services have been allowed under Maharashtra government's 5-step unlock process plan. Restaurants, public places and shops selling non-essential items have also reopened in the state. Delhi AIIMS will start screening children for vaccination trials from 7 June. Screening would be done for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The Drug Controller General of India has approved the screening. AIIMS Patna recently started screening the children for the same. The Gujarat government has initiated a process to build 75 oxygen plants in the state. The plants will have a production capacity of 300 metric ton medical oxygen. Deputy Chief Minister Nitin Patel said that oxygen plants are being built to meet the oxygen demand if cases increase again because of COVID-19 third wave. Nitin Patel said that the plants are funded by PM CARE Fund. The Railways Ministry said that more than 26,281 tons of liquid medical oxygen were delivered by Oxygen Express trains. Oxygen Express services were started on April 24 when there was a sudden rise in demand for medical oxygen due to a sharp rise in the COVID-19 cases. The Railway Ministry said that oxygen was delivered to more than 15 states in the country. China has approved CoronaVac COVID-19 vaccine for children who are aged between 3 to 17 years. CoronaVac is manufactured by Chinese pharma company Sinovac. Phase 1 and Phase 2 clinical trials of this vaccine are completed. The World Health Organization approved the CoronaVac vaccine on 1st June. Spain has opened its border to vaccinated travelers from all over the world on 1st June. Borders have reopened, hoping an influx of visitors will renew its all-important tourism sector, which was affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Health Minister Carolina Darias said that Spain is a safe destination and is in the process of reclaiming its global leadership in tourism.